So today we're going to show you how you can create an additional version of your templates. So from this point we set up a feed, we created the templates, but at some point you want to create multiple templates or you want to try out another design. Several reasons why you want to have like additional templates. So today we're going to show you how you can do this in Feedlabs. First of all, when we check out our feed, we can see that currently our master version is active of our template, and we can see that the radio button is turned on, so we know it's in use. This is the template we created last time. So if I open this, of course, I can change the design from here. I can change the master design, I can save it, and from that point, like all your other designs will be updated as well. So if you're currently using this in some ads, then you can save this and all the changes will be automatically processed. But maybe there's a reason that you don't want to get rid of your current design and you want to start completely from scratch. For example, you have a special edition Black Friday theme, which you're only gonna use for a couple weeks. So then maybe you want to keep your existing master design and create like some periodic designs, or maybe you're just curious and want to try out some different designs. That's also a good use case to create multiple versions of a template. So how can we create an additional version? Well, if we go in the if we are inside the editor, we have this edit button here, and here we can see that currently we are in the master version. But if we want to add another version, we can just do this by adding the plus button, and we call this like our clean template. So the purpose for this is that we just want to create like a really nice clean template and see how this is performing. And as you can see from here, you really start off from scratch, like no layers. It's completely empty, and it's just the same as you would see if you create like a new template completely from scratch. But some nice things you can do is, for example, I can go back to my master version and you can switch between templates using this dropdown. And maybe say like I want to copy some elements from here. So let's say the title I want to use, the subtitle, the image, and yeah, that's it for now. And you can select multiple items by holding Shift and clicking on an item you like. And I press Command C or Control C, go back to my other design, and when I do Control V, you can see all the new layers are there. So I don't have to start from scratch. I can already copy some elements from a previous design. So what I will do is I will shift things a little bit up, make this a little bit different from our original design. So let's see, we want to maybe left align this time and make the title maybe a little bit bigger, and also left align this, add it underneath each other, maybe create an additional shape for this. Fill it up with a nice plain color, and I want to add some border radius to this as well, and then I want to move it in the back, and I use a shortcut for this. If you want to move objects, you can hold Control bracket left bracket right. So you can do this of course by dragging and dropping in the interface as well, but yeah, it's a little bit faster. So let's move this around a little bit. It's already kind of what I like. Let's maybe check if the text is working out for all the items. Here you can see like this is not really working out, so maybe I need to make this a little bit smaller to make it fit, or move it a little bit more here. Move this a little bit more. So now it should work for all the items. Yes, it does. And maybe I want to add a price as well. So I copy paste this layer and let's move this around. Search for our price and add a currency sign in front of this. Make it a little bit bigger. So that's it. It's a really nice, clean design, and from this point I can save it. And as soon as you save it, it's not active. It's just there in your template builder. If you want to activate it, you should follow the steps from this point. So we can go back, and here you also see like the old design. And if we press back on this, you see it's still opening the master, but when we go to our clean templates, there's our new design. Let's go to feeds. And now you see there's an additional version available. So first we only had the master, but now we also have clean template available. And if we want to activate this, if we want to use this in our advertisements, or you want to export the images from this template, the thing you should do is the following. Just press the radio button and you can see that automatically the master is turned off. And from this point, well, once you save it, this is the active template that will be used. So I can save it. And if you want to see results immediately, otherwise you have to wait till the processing is done, then press the process button, and then all the feeds and output feeds will be using your new images. So that's how you're gonna switch from versions in Feedlabs.